Imagine being a cosmic detective, piecing together the greatest mystery ever told. That's exactly what we've become in our quest to understand the universe. Like Russian nesting dolls, each layer we uncover reveals another, more fascinating secret beneath. Picture our Milky Way as a gigantic cosmic pinwheel, spinning through space with over 200 billion stellar dancers. At its heart lurks Sagittarius A asterisk, a black hole so massive it could swallow 4 million suns, yet captured for the first time in 2022 by the Event Horizon Telescope, appearing as a blurry donut that changed astronomy forever. But our galaxy is just one performer in an intricate cosmic ballet. We're part of a neighborhood gang called the Local Group, where the Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies are like sibling rivals, destined for a spectacular collision in about 4.5 billion years. Astronomers using the James Webb Space Telescope recently captured stunning images of similar galactic mergers, giving us a preview of this future cosmic tango. Think of intergalactic space as the universe's ocean, seemingly empty but teeming with invisible life. In 2023, astronomers discovered sea serpents of magnetic fields stretching millions of light years between galaxies. Like cosmic highways, these magnetic ribbons guide the flow of gas and energy through space. Here's where things get wild. We're living in a cosmic bubble. In 2019, scientists confirmed we're inside the KBC void. Imagine a super bubble of relative emptiness spanning 2 billion light years. We're like inhabitants of a giant snow globe, except instead of snow, we're surrounded by galaxies and invisible dark matter. The Webb telescope has become our time machine, recently spotting galaxies that existed just 300 million years after the Big Bang. These baby galaxies are challenging everything we thought we knew about cosmic evolution. They're more mature and organized than our theories predicted, like finding teenagers in a nursery. But the universe saves its grandest performance for the largest scales. Galaxies arrange themselves into what astronomers call the cosmic web. Imagine a giant spider web made of light with galaxy clusters as the dewdrops. In 2023, scientists mapped the largest known structure, a wall of galaxies stretching 10 billion light years, like finding Mount Everest made of stars. The James Webb Space Telescope has become our cosmic paparazzi, catching previously impossible glimpses of distant worlds. In 2024, it spotted water vapor in the atmosphere of a super Earth and watched as a distant star went supernova in real time, like catching the universe's most spectacular fireworks display. Dark matter remains the universe's greatest magic trick. We can't see it, but it choreographs the cosmic dance. Recent observations suggest it might be even stranger than we thought, with some galaxies appearing to be almost free of it, while others are practically swimming in it. As we peer deeper into space, we're really looking back in time. The Webb telescope is like a cosmic archaeologist, uncovering the universe's baby photos. Each new image challenges our understanding. We've found galaxies too big, too organized, and too early to exist according to our current theories. The story of the universe is our story. We're made of star stuff, as Carl Sagan famously said. Every atom in your body heavier than hydrogen was forged in the heart of a star or during its explosive death. We're not just observing the cosmic dance, we're part of it. Our journey of discovery continues, with new telescopes scanning the skies and AI helping process the tsunami of data. We're entering a golden age of astronomy. The universe keeps surprising us, reminding us that reality is more extraordinary than anything we could imagine. As we stand on this pale blue dot, peering out into the vastness, we're not just passive observers, we're cosmic explorers, unraveling the greatest story ever told. And the best part, we're just getting started.